Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show how to find the value of x where 5 to the power x is equal to 500, or taking log to the both side, we can write log of this 5 to the power x is equal to, right side this will be log of this 500, or applying logarithm formula, log a to the power b is equal to b times log a. We can write this x times this log of 5. Log of 5 is equal to this log of 500. We can write this as 5 to the power 3 times 2 square. This 5 to the power 3 is 125 and 2 square is 4, and 125 times 4, this is 500. Or left side, x times log of 5 is equal to, now applying formula, log a times b is equal to log a plus log b. Applying this formula, we can write log of this 5 to the power 3 plus this log of 2 square. Log of 2 square. Or left side, x times log of 5 is equal to, now again applying formula, log a to the power b is equal to b times log a. This will be 3 times this log of 5. Log of 5 plus, similarly, this log of 2 square, this will be this 2 times of this log 2. Log of 2. Now divided both side by log 5, we can write left side x times log of 5 divided by log of 5 is equal to this 3 times log of 5 divided by this log of 5 plus this 2 times log of 2 divided by this log of 5. Or this log 5 and log 5 will cancel and the left side will be x is equal to, here this log 5 and log 5 will cancel and remains 3 plus this 2 times this log of 2 divided by log of 5. Log of 2 divided by log of 5. So the value of x is equal to this 3 plus 2 times log of 2 divided by log of 5. We can write this as log of 5 base of 2. And this is the solution of our given equation. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.